Ejua bunanzi, ejunye, bunanzi nani, ejunye, bunanzi dzona, ejunye, bunanzi dzona.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the new vlog. I go by the name of Bliga and warm welcome to the vlog. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and share this video with your friends and your family. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for keeping up with the content and for the support. Yo guys, it's been months since I've uploaded a new video to this vlog. Just want to maybe apologize to all my subscribers. Yeah, it's been very hectic. Been hectic with some projects and some work. But yeah, I'll be uploading more often on this channel. So please keep up with the update of the channel. So on today's vlog, guys, there's nothing much. I just want to showcase to you my village Lapa roofing. Yeah, I just want to showcase to you. So, and also know that this Lapa was roofed about maybe 3 months ago. So I couldn't upload the video because I was busy. But yeah, just keep note on that. And yeah, I'll be uploading more. And then please enjoy the clip of the videos. And if there's something that you want to suggest or some comment or maybe some advice, please use the comment section down below, and then I'll be happy to answer each and every question. But yeah, sorry again for not uploading, but yeah, I'll be uploading more often on this channel. More videos are coming, and yeah, please show love by subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and also like the video, and also share this video within your social media platform. You can share it on your Instagram, you can share it on your Facebook, your WhatsApp, so that we can get more love on this channel. But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy these clips. So on this part of the section of the vlog, I think the last video that I showed for the Lapa, it was before the roof. So yeah, before the roof and before the fireplace installed. So they installed the fireplace. So now as you watching these pictures and or video format, they're busy installing the roof. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough footage or enough pictures to showcase, as I was not available to capture the moment. But yeah, so this is where they were doing the roof, installing the roof, starting with obviously the roof material. Yeah, so yeah, this is how they're installing it. Unfortunately, I don't have enough footage, but yeah. So on this section of the video, so now in this video, I'm just showcasing to you the finished product of the roof of the Lapa village roof, so which is being completed. As you can see, they've done with the roofing. So the only thing which maybe it's missing would be sorting out the electrical pipes and the plastering of this Lapa, and should be ready to use. So as you can see, the fireplace is already installed, so at any time we can buy. But yeah, in the meantime, what we're waiting for is just the electrical pipes, some plastering, and maybe some floor tiling, and then we can start enjoying this Lapa. Yeah, maybe we can just add some plumbing in terms of the installation of water and some sink on this sink utilities for this Lapa. But yeah, this is how it is now. And then yeah, it's not so I'll just break down maybe when the Lapa is finalized. I will just do a breakdown of all the cost for the Lapa. If you want to do your own Lapa, how much roughly can you budget for, and how much can you save up for if you want to do your Lapa for your home. So but yeah, it's not too much, but I would say for my expectation, it was a bit more, because I was expecting to spend a bit less. Even though this is a small Lapa, it doesn't even have a bathroom. It doesn't even have so I know some Lapas also have a laundry and a bathroom. So this one is just it's like a double garage with a fireplace installed in it. So that's how it is. So it's a bit small, but however, when I look at the cost, I feel like it was a bit more in terms of cost. But however, I'll just do a breakdown of all the cost spent for a Lapa design. So the only thing which is missing is just the plastering, the electrical pipe and wiring, and also maybe all including the plumbing as well, and some floor tiling. So after that's done, then that's when I can just maybe do a breakdown of the prices of the cost spent on this Lapa. But yeah, it doesn't break the bank, but yeah, it's good to have for your backyard, especially if you have space. Unfortunately, on my side, I was limited with the space. The yard is, yeah, I don't have too much of yard for this village Lapa build. But yeah, if I had more space, I believe I could have spent more. I could have extended it. I could have included a lot of stuff. But yeah, work with what you have. But yeah, other than that, I hope you're enjoying these clips, you're enjoying these video clips. And then if you have some comment, maybe some questions, you can just mention it on the description down below, and then I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, this is how we are now currently. And then there's some obviously new projects which will be starting up for this Lapa, and also maybe some other stuff which I'll also be uploading on this channel. Let's stay tuned. And then yeah, and also the other thing I wanted to ask is, if you guys have something that you want me to do a video on, just let me know, and then I can just do a video and then showcase it to you in this channel, because I know I've been busy, been hectic, didn't have enough time to do maybe focus on the YouTube channel. But however, some workload have been relieved from my space, so you can just mention it to me, and then I can just maybe make time to do that video. But yeah. So yeah, guys, we have reached the end of this vlog. It was a short one. Thank you for those who have stayed up until the end of this video. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider to subscribe. And if you're a subscriber already, thank you so much for supporting. And then yeah, enjoy. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.